You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is a name that is also from German, but it's the name of a famous chocolate maker, chocolate brand from Belgium, Belgian chocolatier. Neuhaus, it means the new house. That's how they say it in Belgium. If you want to learn more chocolate names, by the way, stay tuned. Neuhaus. How to pronounce Neuhaus, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.